Hi imagi30Coders! Today is a very special day. It's my friend Paula's birthday. Paula is the one developing the imagi app, so essentially she's making it possible for all of us to learn to code together. Now I already got her a small cake as a gift, but then I was thinking, how could I make her birthday a whole lot more special? And I had an idea. What if we all programmed birthday wishes and shared it in the imagi app and on the Imagi charms? A top secret is that actually the code that you write now is going to be reusable. I created a raspberry cheesecake for Paula's birthday now, but by changing the function around a little bit, I'll be able to just turn it into a chocolate cake for my other friend's Beatrice's birthday. But for now, let's take on the challenge for day 5. Program a birthday wish so Paula's birthday can be more special. It can be another cake, or fireworks, or just a kind message. I can't wait to see all your creative solutions. It will be a boost of positivity. And meanwhile, who wants to check out this real world cake? I mean, this is pretty much the same thing, right?